Hello, good day, everyone. This is XinTian. I'm in Lahore, Pakistan. In next few years, XinTian plans to launch 100 showrooms around the world. Now let's follow us to see our first showroom in Pakistan. This one shows our company opinion on whether to let customers know more about our company of XinTian. Here displayed our fiber laser cutting machine 8 model, and the background showed our products of XinTian. They have metal plate cutting, metal tube cutting, laser cleaning, laser welding, laser marking machine.
Hello, I am Saifullah from Lahore, Pakistan. My company name is Nadeem & Sons Trading Company. I have collaboration with XinTian since 2019. It's a very good company, cooperative company and a senior staff. Here we deal in CNC laser machinery like laser cutting machines, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine and laser marking machine. It's the official XT showroom. Welcome you all to visit.